Hi guys, today we are going to solve Leetcode question number 3396, which is minimum number of operations to make elements in array distinct. Okay, so the description here says that you are given an array integer nums and you need to ensure that the elements in the array are distinct. To achieve this, you can perform the following operation in any number of times. Remove 3 elements from the beginning of the array. If the array has fewer than 3 elements, remove all remaining elements. Note that an empty array is considered to have distinct elements. Return the minimum number of operations needed to make the elements in the array distinct. So we can see that in the first example, we are given an input array nums which are having values 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 3, 5, 7. Okay, so as per the description, we will remove the first 3 elements. Like after first iteration, we will remove 1, 2 and 3. So the remaining array will be 4, 2, 3, 3, 5, 7. Now we will check if there are distinct elements or not. We can see that there are some similar elements in the resulting array. Therefore, we will have another iteration. Therefore, we will remove another 3 elements from the resulting array. Now we will remove 4, 2 and 3. After removing these elements, we will check the resulting array which are having elements 3, 5 and 7. We can see that the elements in this resulting array are distinct. Therefore, we will return the number of iterations that we have done to come to this resulting array. So we will return the answer number 2. Okay, so for the solution approach of this problem, I will convert the array nums into array list or linked list, and we will add all the elements of the nums array to the array list or linked list. Now we will create another hash set that will store the occurrences of the elements of the nums array, and we will check if the size of the hash set is equal to the size of array list. If yes, it means that the elements have distinct positions or distinct numbers in the array, thus we will break through all the elements. If no, then we will do as per the description. We will remove 3 elements from the beginning of the array, or the remaining elements if there are less than 3 elements in it. Okay, so we will generate a loop and we will remove those elements and we will increment the value of count in it. Okay, so at last we will return the counter element. Okay, so the time complexity will be big O of n square, as it will take big O of n time to convert the array elements into the array list elements, and big O of n time will be taken to remove the elements from the linked list, and if we use to remove the elements from the array list, and it will take big O of n log n time if we use linked list through it. Although in the worst case that both the time complexity will be big O of n square, and the space complexity will be big O of n, as we are using array list as well as hash set. Okay, so let's move to the code. Firstly, we will create an array list named as list, and then we will add all the elements from the array nums to this array list using for each loop. Now we will create a counter element or a counter variable that will count the number of operations. Now we will generate a while loop that will be true all the time, and it will not break until it is set so. Now we will create a hash set named as set that will store all the occurrences of the elements of the array list. We'll take it from the list. Now we will check the condition if the size of hash set is equal to the size of the list. If yes, then we will break through the loop. Or else we will count the remaining counters element and will store it in rem variable. It will contain the minimum of either 3 or the list or the remaining elements of the list as per said in the description. Now we will generate a for loop that will remove the remaining elements from the array list, and we will increase the counter variable by 1. And now we will return the counter variable. Now let's run the code. So it has passed all the test cases. Now let's submit it.